Hi, my name's Naomi. I'm a nurse. I've been nursing for 18 years, and I've come to Merv's laughter training this week. I had COVID about a month ago, and every night since then I've been waking up at about 3 a.m. and coughing my guts out. Yesterday when we were practicing the laughing session, I was coughing all the way through that too. And then last night when I went to bed, I woke up this morning and I hadn't coughed. I hadn't done my morning wake up and cough, so I think the laughing really moved some of the junk out of me.